Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to make Threads account private. Also, I wonder why you want to make your Threads account private. Maybe when you created your account, it was on public and now you want to make it private. Or maybe you think there's a matter of privacy and you want to make your account private. Or it could be any other reason for you to make your account private. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Threads app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have linked your account to your Instagram. And once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how Threads app look. Under it, we have 5 options. This one is a home section where you can see different kind of threads. If you click onto the second option, you can go to the explore and search stuff. And with the help of third option, you can create threads. And with the last option, we can go to profile. And with this second last option, we could get notifications and alerts. So now what we have to do here is that we have to go to this profile icon, this one. So for that, simply click onto this option. Once you get here, you will see this interface. This is how your profile looks. It has your profile icon and different stuff. If you have done any threads and replies, they will appear here. Now what you have to do here is that here you could see we have these 2 lines in the right corner. We have to click onto these lines. Once you click onto these lines, you will land into the page of settings. From the top, you could read the title and you could see we have multiple options here. So from all these options, if you want to make your account private, so we have to go to in this option which says privacy. For that, simply click on privacy and you will get into the page of privacy. Here you can see we have multiple options. So the first option is says private profile, and along with that we have this button. So if you click onto this option, it will ask you that if you want to switch your public account to private. So if you're willing to do that, simply click on OK and your account will be private. So whatever things that are on public will get private, and only your followers will be able to see your threads. The other public which are not included in your followers will not be able to see your account and your information. For that, just simply click on OK and your account will turn into private. If you ever want your account back to public, then you can again click onto this option and again click on OK. After that, your account will be public, but if you want to make it private, click here and click OK and your account will be private again. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can make your public account private on Threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.